Jeepneys were coined as the pambansang pampasada of the Philippines. This is what makes us Pinoy because most Filipinos depend on jeepney as their mode of transportation for different purposes. This is part of a typical Filipino life. The jeepney that brought them to places, the industry that brought Sarao their history. Just a little background, Sarao Motors is a Filipino jeepney manufacturer headquartered in Las Piñas city. It was the Philippines' only jeep maker until the establishment of the secondary national jeep maker Sarao Motors in 2001. It started in the 1953s. It was originally owned by Mr. Sarao, and behind Sarao Motors, Mr. Ed Sarao. But before that, let's take a look around their factory. Mr. Sarao, who used to be a Kalasa driver. That's the trivia why Sarao Jeepneys had the horse trademark. This legend was passed on to generations with their continuous efforts to remain being the best jeepney makers in the Philippines. No wonder Sarao Jeepneys were featured in the famous Born Legacy. That's another trivia right there. Wanna know the steps on how to make these Sarao Jeepney motors? It takes 100 people working together to be able to finish the jeeps. Well, that's for bulk orders. But did you know that it only takes 2 weeks before Sarao Jeepney Motors finish their jeepneys? Also, Sarao uses local-made products for their supplies, their engines, and everything that they use for their jeeps. And one more thing, it is all in manual labor. These jeeps are works of their hands only. For upper man theory, North jeeps, which are used for Baguio, Benguet, and Sagada, are usually used for transporting very heavy loads and steep places. These jeeps are very durable that you can even ride them on the roof. To know about the steps, let's take it one by one. First we have is the frame making. The main frame is made of black iron, melted by a craftsman who strengthens it with a hydraulic press. It requires both delicate machinery and dedicated labor. The components are made here. The components of the chassis are made piece by piece. These are processed for sub-assembly before they are integrated into the body and detail. Engines are attached to the skeleton followed by the tires.
You and I buy star maps and drive my car around Los Angeles.
Then it would be followed by the designing. As you can see, this also includes the upholster, the colors needed, the painting, and as we know, Sarao Motors are all tailor-made and customized designs. No two jeepneys are alike.
But I know that you are mine to keep. You are a radar detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on. But you are always looking out for me. You and I go shopping and find exactly what we're looking for.
This is integrating Sarao silhouette. It uses a pulley to smooth the screws while some unwanted details are removed to improve the Jeep's overall aesthetic.
We cruise the neighborhood, but it's not supposed to feel this good. You are a radar detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on.
Fourth is the mounting. The assemblymen clean, check, and tune stock motors to ensure the peak performance before they are mounted. Larger and more powerful engines necessitate strengthening of the frame and the body. The battery and other accessories such as the side mirrors are also attached during this process.
Don't know what you could possibly expect under this condition, so I'll
body shaping. This is the stage where the jeepney's dimensions are defined. Most popular is the 20 to 22 passenger seat Jeep, which used to be a 16 to 18 seater only, but longer models are more in demand right now and these days compared to the short ones during the 1950s. The jeepney's bodies follows a pattern or a color pattern which a craftsman follow. Darker colored patterns are older while the lighter ones are newer. There you go, your Sarao jeepney waiting for you. Ready for test drive!
Magdadrive ako hanggang Bicol. Magdadrive ako hanggang Batangas. Tapos magsiswimming doon sa beach. Isasama ko ang